If you're in the market for an electric vehicle, EV, you might be wondering which one is the best choice for you. While there are plenty of great options out there, we think the Lucid Grand Air is a clear winner. Here's why. First of all, the Lucid Grand Air boasts an impressive range. With a fully charged battery, it can travel up to 517 miles on a single charge. That means you won't have to worry about running out of juice on long road trips, or having to constantly stop for recharging brakes. But it's not just the range that sets the Grand Air apart from other EVs, it's also its speed. This vehicle can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest EVs on the market. So if you're in a rush, or just love a good acceleration, the Grand Air won't disappoint. But it's not all about power and performance. The Grand Air is also packed with innovative features that make it a joy to drive. For example, it has a futuristic interior that includes a massive 34-inch curved display screen, as well as a fully automated driving mode that allows you to sit back and relax while the car takes care of the driving for you. And if you're worried about the environmental impact of driving an EV, the Grand Air has you covered there too. It's built with sustainable materials, including a vegan leather interior, and its battery is powered by 100% renewable energy. So not only will you be saving money on gas, you'll also be doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint. But let's be real, one of the most fun things about driving a new car is showing it off to your friends and family. And with the Grand Air's sleek and stylish design, you'll definitely have some admirers. Its smooth, aerodynamic body and dramatic wing-like rear doors are sure to turn heads wherever you go. So why settle for a boring, ordinary EV when you can have all of these amazing features and more with the Lucid Grand Air? It's the ultimate combination of performance, innovation, and style, and we think it's the clear choice for anyone looking to make the switch to electric driving.